exciting.
I'm excited.
Mommy, again?
Yes?
I'm so late.
So late. Oh, pastor na.
Super speed.
Sa gilid ka po.
I have to play a Play-Doh.
Okay.
Yippee.
Huwag ka makulit kay teacher, ah.
Okay. I can play a Play-Doh.
Okay. Play ka. Makinig ka din kay teacher, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
I can do bye-bye to Mama.
You can do bye-bye.
Yes, I can be back soon.
Okay. Huwag ka makulit kay teacher, ha?
Okay, Mommy, Jen. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Sundo time. Susundo na tayo ngayon. Three.
Ada, let's go na. Dali, may bibigay si Daddy sa house. Dali, di ka na. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bukas ulit. Let's go.
Bree. Bree, let's go na, Bree. Bree. Purple, last na yan, ha? Let's go na. Oh, come here. Patingin si Mami. Wow, that's so good. That's very good. Good job.
Teacher, can I spike?
Let's go na for the ice cream. Let's go na. Come here na.
Bye.
What's her name? Her teacher is Miss Teach?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. She's my teach.
I see your good job. Wow, you have a good job. Very good.
I have a smiling face, Mom.
You have smiling face?
Mommy, I have a tattoo smiling, Mommy.
That's a tattoo?
Yes.
Wow, very good
I
though.
like my tattoo smile.
Mabait ka kay teacher?
Yep.
Nakikinig ka? Oh, anong pinag-usapan niyo ngayon?
We're playing onto the playground.
Just only playing lang?
Yes.
Walang diniscuss si teacher?
Huh?
Walang diniscuss?
But I have a now. But I know how these. But I have these, Mom.
Ha?
Like my new gadget.
Oh,
I
very
want my gadget. Play-Doh gadget for my Play-Doh.
Ano ka pa dyan? Ay! You want tanggal na this one? Why? Too ouchy na? Oh my God. Nagmumukha ka na naman bruha. You want always mukhang bruha. Wow, it's so pretty. Look, tingin kay Mommy. Tingin ka kay Mommy. Here. Come here, dito, dito. Dito, dito. Come here. Wow, it's so pretty.